Today MTD CNC have travelled to Hinckley, to the home of Milton, to look at their latest investment in Hoffman. Now, Dan, you've got a brilliant machine tool investment, but without all of the other equipment behind that machine tool investment, you can't use it to its full capability. Is that safe to say?
100%.
So, tell us about your investment in Hoffman, because it's not just the cutting tools you've invested in.
No, we've had, as you can see, all the cabinets, tool holders, metrology. There's not a lot we didn't get from Hoffman, to be honest.
So let's start with the cutting tools.
Yep.
You know, have you used Hoffman cutting tools before?
Very few and far between. Very odd tool here and there that was specific to a job.
And what cutting tools are you using from Hoffman on this particular application?
On this particular application, we've got turn tools, external threading tools, milling cutters, thread milling cutters, drills, pretty much everything.
And in comparison to some of the tools that you've used in the past, how do they compare?
I'd say they were quite favourably better.
Right.
A bit more tool life.
So tool life is one of the advantages that you seem to be getting.
Yep.
Now, the cutting tools, you know, we can go into them in a lot more detail at a later date, but the holders are also Hoffman holders, the HSK 63 holders.
Yep.
How important are holders? I mean, sometimes a lot of companies, I see them being overlooked all the time.
Well, there's no point buying and investing in a piece of machine tool like this and then putting a 20, 30-year-old tool holder in it. So we've invested in the best technology that's available to us.
And what type of holders are you using? I mean, you've mentioned, well, I've mentioned they're a back end of a HSK 63.
Yep.
But what's the front ends?
We've got standard through coolant tools, we've got shrink fit tools, turn tools, everything.
Have you ever used the shrink fit tools before?
No, never used them at Milton.
Well, I'm going to go and speak to Chloe and show our audience how easy it is to actually use them. But before I do that, can you just talk us through the cabinets and the organisation and the 5S elements, the metrology and all the other equipment that Hoffman have supplied?
Yeah, so we've got next to the tool window where we put the tool into the machine is the cabinet where we store our overspill of the 80 tool carousel. We've not got many in there at the minute, but we envisage that coming.
Yeah.
And then we've got the actual cutter cabinet where we keep our drills, our end mills, thread mills, and then we've got a bench with hand tools on and for the operator to check a part on and do any other work on it. And then we've got a little metrology station with a granite table in, height vernier, and all mics.
And this organisation, is it safe to say that this is also saving you time?
Oh, a lot, because our inspection department is the far side of the company, far side of the building, so we can do all the checks, well, pretty much all the checks at the machine.
So Hoffman are saving you time. It's time for me now to go and see Chloe.
Yep.
Chloe just spoke to Dan and he's really impressed with Hoffman.
Yeah.
And it saved him a lot of time. And he says it don't take much time to shrink fit, and you're going to demo to our audience how easy that is.
Yeah, definitely. So obviously we've got the tool holder in where it's going to heat up. I've got my tool here, so as long as we've got the right setting on here, so for your tool holder, all you need to do is bring the heater down, press start, it's going to go for 5 seconds, it's going to heat up. You're going to see it actually heat up, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drop it in there like that, okay? And then I'm going to wait for it to cool down, okay? So what these tools offer is there's no messing about with collet chucks or anything like that. It's just straight and simple, and it's just a heat shrunk straight into that.
And with shrink fit tooling, what are the main benefits?
Okay, so we've got 3 microns running around there, so that's how contrinsically effective these tools are. Also, the tool end becomes part of the tool holder, so you've got a whole tool holder with the tool in there, so if it breaks, it's so easy to take in and out.
So accuracy,
Yeah.
no vibration, And also, I'm assuming with how thin it is, you're getting better clearances, aren't you, Chloe?
Oh yeah, 100%. You're getting better clearances and you're getting better tolerance as well. So investing in one of these is fantastic.
Chloe, it's been a pleasure. Thank you. So there you have it, how easy it is to shrink fit.